Ahoy, future Asheville vacation homeowners. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling adventure to chase down the vacation home of your dreams in the enchanting landscape of Asheville, North Carolina. Picture it, a cozy retreat nestled in the heart of the Blue Ridge Mountains, the perfect getaway to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. But how do you transform this idyllic vision into a reality? Fear not, for we've crafted a trusty guide to help you navigate the exciting world of vacation home buying in Asheville. So, let's set sail and chase down that dream. The Treasure Map, a step-by-step guide to buying a vacation home in Asheville. Step 1. Weigh anchor and assess your finances. Before diving headfirst into the vacation home market, take a moment to assess your financial situation. Consider factors such as your budget, the potential for rental income, and any additional expenses associated with owning a second home. By charting a clear financial course, you can avoid any nasty surprises along your journey. Step 2. Plot your course and choose a location. Asheville, North Carolina, is a treasure trove of stunning vacation home locales. Whether you're drawn to the serenity of a lakeside cabin or the allure of a charming downtown bungalow, Asheville has it all. Take the time to explore different neighborhoods and determine which one best suits your needs and desires. Remember, the perfect vacation home is all about finding the right fit for you. Step 3. Assemble your crew and hire professionals. Navigating the vacation home market can be a daunting task, but you don't have to go it alone. Assemble a trusty crew of professionals, such as a real estate agent, a mortgage broker, and a property manager, to guide you through the process. With their expertise at your side, you'll be well equipped to chase down your dream vacation home in Asheville. Step 4. Keep a weather eye on the market. In the ever-changing world of real estate, it's vital to keep a finger on the pulse of the Asheville vacation home market. Stay informed about current trends, property values, and any local developments that may impact your investment. By staying abreast of market conditions, you can make savvy decisions and seize the perfect opportunity when it arises. Step 5. Set sail and close the deal. Once you've found your dream vacation home in Asheville, it's time to set sail and close the deal. Work closely with your real estate agent and mortgage broker to ensure a smooth closing process. With all the necessary paperwork in order and a clear understanding of your obligations as a vacation homeowner, you can confidently embark on this exciting new chapter of your life. The dream realized, your vacation home in Asheville, North Carolina. By following this trusty guide, you're well on your way to snagging the vacation home of your dreams in the breathtaking Asheville, North Carolina. With a solid financial foundation, a clear vision of your ideal location, and the support of a skilled crew, you can navigate the vacation home market with confidence and ease. So, what are you waiting for? Hoist the sails, and let's chase down that dream vacation home in Asheville.